In this video, I'm going to show you how to add Open to Work on LinkedIn. So the first step is to simply go to your profile and then you should see this Open to Work section here. Now, if you don't see it, you're gonna have to click on Open to and complete the steps. And then here, we're gonna have to click on the pen icon. Then here we have the job title. So here you can simply add them, etc. So you can play around with the settings here, but make sure to select all LinkedIn members and then click on save. And basically that's all we have to do. So I'm gonna enable this. Now you should see here, so if you have a profile picture, you're gonna see here Open to Work, and basically that's all we have to do. So I really hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.